10 years ago, people get out from their houses because of the war. And they don't choose that because they actually have to do that. Have to go out of their home. A big disaster happened here. 10 years ago, a part of Damascus destroyed from the war. A big disaster happened here. In this video guys, I will take you a trip around the destroyed part of Damascus. Actually guys, I'm living next to this home in this destroyed area. And I have been living here for years. So let me take you a trip around this city, this destroyed part of the city. And I will tell you a very important thing in the end of the video. So complete the video to the end of it, and don't forget to like, subscribe in my YouTube channel. I'll be very glad for that. And guys, if I get out of this destroyed house, I will be in my home right there. This is my home, and this is the destroyed house. It's next to it, and all houses next to me and around me in this area is destroyed. There's only a few people who fixed him houses and living in it. Actually guys, if you're asking yourself why I'm doing this video here, I will tell you that the idea I want to tell you about, I know it from destroyed houses and how people rebuild him houses again. That's how I will explain to you how we will rebuild ourselves. Actually, when I see this destroyed home and the people who rebuild him houses again, I'm thinking about ourselves. How we actually destroyed from a relationship, a friendship, a work accident that we destroy, actually destroy from this accident that just happened to us. So why we just want to be a new person to skip it? Why we just fix it and learn from that experience, from that accident? Why we just have to be a new person? We always want to be a new person, and that what stopped us. You don't have to be new, you just have to be yourself and learn from your mistake. Take your experience as a lesson. Take your experience as a lesson. You take it in life. And you learn this experience, and you will not fail in the same mistake again.